You know, with the markets, uncertainty happens, regardless whether it's Brexit or anything else. There's always been uncertainties. That should never stop somebody investing for the long term, because there's going to be ups and downs. One thing that I've seen, regardless of Brexit, is the number of overseas investors. I mean, I'm out in Singapore, in Hong Kong, in India, looking to invest in Britain. These are overseas investors believing in Britain. So regardless of whether it's hard, soft, whatever type of Brexit, the way I look at it is I've got to continue investing. We've all got to continue investing because we want to get a return. And I'm not going to let political uncertainties get in the way of that. In the same way, I won't let the next crash, which is bound to happen sooner or later, because they always do, get in the way of it. And I don't think people should be too fixated by day-to-day political news and uncertainties, because otherwise what they'll end up doing is that age-old problem of inertia, and that'll really cost them money, because money in the bank account is actually money going down and depleting, whereas a longer-term investment is what is going to generate the returns. I think Brexit, in a way, is a red herring for them if it's stopping them from investing at all.